Especially the point that you mentioned, just make your manager's life easier. That's something I think every 2 months I write on my LinkedIn, because I've been working in HR. People come to me and they ask, yeah, maybe promotion, why isn't it happening? What are the issues? Why am I not getting that rating that I deserve? And I tell them, yeah, if your manager is can't depend on you, if your manager has to work extra hard even after having you in the team, and then that probably means that you are not that beneficial to the manager. So that your point, that spot on, especially with other points as well. But this is something that covers everything. Just make your leadership's life easier.
If I can add one more thing, Umar, on this, I also have a video on my channel on this, which I think is a skill, which is how to manage your manager, and which is a skill in itself. And it has a lot of elements, but one element which you just mentioned as well, and I talk, which is to make life easier. Another element in that is whenever you go to your manager with a problem, always share the solution as well, which is again making their life easy. And one more thing I also say, which is always praise your manager in front of your manager's manager. Now, I don't mean you just go about lying about it. Like if your manager is really bad and you just don't feel like it from the core of your heart, then don't do it. But if there are like pluses and minuses, but generally speaking, he or she is a good manager, always praise them, always make your manager look good so they can, it comes back. They will always know, they won't know exactly who said what, but they will always know what happened and something went out or some feedback went out. And second is when you make them look good, they will invest in you more. They will invest in you more. They will put more effort in developing you because it's just reciprocation that will eventually happen. So I strongly believe it's a big skill of being able to know how to manage your manager. And these are the elements to it.
It all depends on the trust that you build with your manager. I think there's a video by Simon Sinek on this as well. जो भी चीज़ें चल रही हों, in the end what matters is, can the manager trust you? Can you trust your teammates, and do you work as a team? Okay, does the manager have your back, or you have the manager's back? And that's how a team functions properly.